What's up, YouTube? I'm finally back with another video. I took a small hiatus because the volume of clients in Tampa is overwhelming, so it's hard to film, do my clients, and edit at night. And on top of all of that, I still have to do my TikToks, my Instagram posting. I'm very active on those apps. But I'm back and I'm keeping up this time. I say that every time. Just pray for me. And today we're doing a frontal ponytail. I don't do these every day. They're not even offered on my website. So I thought it would be fun to record it because I always do her frontal ponytails. So before you get too deep into this video, make sure you click that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment questions if you have any, and tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to me. I'm trying to run it up on YouTube, period. So what you see me doing now is pressing out her hair piece by piece. I'm using a Baby Bliss flat iron. After that, I'm going in with the hot comb and I'm getting those little hairs around her neck because it's a ponytail and you don't want her small hairs to be curly. So you want to try to get everything as straight as possible. The only product I'm using to lay her natural hair is spritz. The only reason I like to use spritz is because with natural hair, if you put too many products, gels, sprays, the hair will curl up. So I like to brush it in, and then I use my blow dryer to mold it. You want to spray, brush, mold. Spray, brush, mold. The only thing that I didn't do that I would do different in this video is that I would add way more rubber bands to the base ponytail just so that it could be tighter. She did tell me that it loosened up quicker than usual, and I was like, damn, I could have put way more rubber bands. So yeah, so if you're watching this video and you want to try one, please add way more rubber bands to your base because it'll give you a tighter hold. Now I'm just going about it as I would any other frontal install. I'm not doing a nude cap though. This is my first time trying this method with a frontal ponytail. I've done about 3 or 4 and I've always used the nude cap, but this time I felt like because she has a lot of forehead space, the nude cap is not necessary. And because the lace is HD, I just felt like the melt would be better. Now this part, you definitely want to be careful because you have to sew the frontal directly on their ponytail, and you don't want to poke them in the scalp with the needle, number one, and you also don't want to pull too tight on the hair, so you have to be real careful when doing this step. Today I will be using my Ericka J Hold Me Down adhesive, the watermelon edition. I love this adhesive. It smells so good, and the hold, it don't play. The hold don't play at all. My clients love this glue. I can't keep enough of it, and I'm waiting on the restock, period.
POJ the beat.
Now that the frontal is placed on her head and sewed down, I'm going to mold that frontal hair into the rest of the ponytail. I'm using my spritz and blow dryer again, and I'm also going in with some mousse on top of it to still give it that soft look. lie to you guys, I did forget to turn the camera back on when I started doing the ponytail, and when I remembered, I was already at the top, so bear with me. If you guys want me to do another video explaining how I do the extended ponytail, just let me know in the comments. I used 2 bundles. I braided her real hair down with that frontal, and then I just sewed the tracks into the braid. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved that, please let me know in the comments. Today for her baby hairs, I'm going in with Gorilla Snot. I believe this is my first time using Gorilla Snot on this channel. I'm not the type of stylist to only use one product for edges. I try everything, and whatever I like in that moment, that's what I'm using. I like Gorilla Snot. Sometimes I even go in with a little mousse if I need to fix one or keep working on it and the gel dried up too fast. All I do is add a little mousse and it's right back flexible. So that's why I like using the Gorilla Snot right now. You guys have already seen me curl millions of times with this Baby Bliss curling iron. So it's the same thing. I'm wrapping it around and then I'm holding the curl and then I let it fall. I spray the hair before and after curling it, and this is what you get. Now I'm just defining my part with some LA Pro and some black spray, and then that's it. This frontal, or should I say scalp, was provided by me. It's the HD lace. The bundles were provided by me as well. I loved how this install came out. It's so chic. I will be dropping more videos. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and comment on my videos, tell a friend to tell a friend, and be sure to follow me on all my social media platforms at Slay by Matthew. Period.